Well, out and about a little bit, so just going to head off down to Cicada night market, but I got to make a quick stop. I'm not going to walk all the way down there, it's going to be over an hour, so I'm just going to go down to I think what they call Blueport and see if I can exchange some money, and then I'll get a tuk-tuk or something down there. So just left the house and go for a bit of a walk along, have a quickie look around. So see how this all goes out tonight. So give you an idea, Korean barbecues everywhere. I don't know what that is, whether it's a nightclub or restaurant. To me it looks like a nightclub. We've got the giant hotel behind us there, and right next door to the hospital. And we go back about 7-ish years ago, just on the other side is another hotel I stayed at all those years ago. So that's one thing I don't miss, is squawking little birds. And for convenience, even though it's a bit of a walk, not really, but it is, 7-Eleven right there on the corner, or 11-7 as I call them. So all good. Best part is I can come here and shop here, walk back that direction, get the macro, buy some food and stuff from there, or I can walk a little bit even further down to Blueport. We're just going to walk down towards Blueport. See, 7-Eleven there. Oh, that's way blown out. Alright, I'll leave it there, I'll get it more into tune. Well, tried one exchange places, it didn't happen because I don't carry my passport around, but I know they've been jumping a lot on bank accounts. Didn't even think when I left. I still got a bit of money in me kitty. Went into Blueport, which is just there. Their exchanges are all closed, nothing in there, so I'll look out for a little BART bus tuk-tuk taxi thingy and get down to the market, have a bite to eat, and then head back. That's how I see it all goes. Speaker one, there it goes. Oh well, we'll keep an eye out for another one. But it took me about half an hour, probably walk another half hour, but sweating away because I haven't done a great deal over the last couple of days for obvious reason. Rained yesterday. But anyway, this actually looks familiar. Salem. I think that was where friends stayed as well all those years ago. Yep, that's it, way down there. That's alright. Well, I'm not going to go too far now. I'll just keep an eye out for those little BART bussy things, and then get down to the night market. See how that goes. But it's not too bad. I thought it was going to rain, but it's not. Alright. Yeah, just about to give up, coming down here. Waited. No BART bus, no nothing. But, yep, here I am. Finally made it. Just have a look around. Fountain used to be right in the middle there. That seems to have been changed around a little bit. So let's just have a wander around, see what it's like. 15 baht to come down here. But I did walk a fair bit, so it shouldn't make any difference going back to where I need to be. All good. We'll go and find something to eat, have a walk around, see how we go. Puppet show. We used to have a huge wall out just along there. Gone. food stalls, obviously. Coupon box. Just have a look. Not a huge market fan, but see how this goes. It's a coupon system to buy the food. Fair enough. It works, it works. Bit of live music for food.
Night market we're walking through. We'll speed it up walking through the food section. It's fairly big, very good for couples going there for a night out. As you would have heard, the amphitheatre with live music, and you can get a few drinks. Plenty of food to be had for everybody, and as I stated before, very trinkety, night markety, selling their little bits and pieces. So good for that. Good for family with kids, run around, get some food they want, and then find some little trinkets and go and enjoy just a chillax night. And it's pretty good. Busy, but not as busy as I thought, not as busy as I think it should be. But all in all, good arts and crafty type night markety thing. Probably when it gets busier, a lot more things to be had. As you can see, there's the coupon box just there. There's plenty of them around. Go and pay your money, get some coupons, and take them to the food vendors. There's the amphitheatre and the food vendors, and you'll get your food. The amphitheatre, they're just preparing for the kids, and you can see the kids are all starting to come up. So I don't have kids with me, so yeah, I'll leave it at that. But anyway, it is what it is. As I said, it was busy, but not as busy as I thought. None of the food sort of really took my fancy, so I just didn't go for it. But anyway, so that's the Cicada night market.
It's changed. I'm going to get something to eat, so catch you later.
Well, ordered a Coke, some steamed rice, and stir-fried sea bass. Everybody knows what that is. So I got a bit of music happening in that little bar there, so yeah. So I'm going to dig in. 220 baht plus Coke and the steamed rice, so I reckon about 280, pardon me, 280 baht. Not even. I'll let you know at the end. Alright. Ooh, got hiccups now. Well, that was done, dusted.
got to me, even though I had plenty of chili. It's still burning my lips at the moment. So, peppercorns, not much left. So, enjoyed big time. As I said, be under 300 baht, so pretty good. Alright, I'm going to head back. I'm going to catch a bus back, chillax, see where I end up. Alright, that's it for now. Stir-fried sea bass with rice and a Coke. Yum. Well, that was a bit of Fizzifer, just going down to have a look to the Cicada night market. A few people there, wouldn't say crowded, wouldn't say overcrowded, but there's a few there, a lot of empty seats for food and whatnot, and dare I say, a lot of crafty stuff that just doesn't interest me. The quick walk around you would have seen, that's about it. Two amphitheatres, two amphitheatres. One that had music playing, another one was setting up for kids, I dare say. And yeah, probably good for families, but just going down there, sit there and looking at some of the food. I paid 260 baht for my stir-fried sea bass, spicy, and plate of rice and a can of Coke. So that was pretty good value. I was expecting probably a little bit more, but that wasn't too bad. But anyway, I'm going to go and see if I can exchange some money and go and have a look somewhere else. That's what you do. Catch ya.